I am not a bad mom.
You great.
Alright, you ready, Tucker?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit down in the chair. Sit down, hurry up. Alright.
Oh.
Okay, eat your candy.
Okay.
Put it in your mouth, Tucker.
Put it in your mouth, Tuck.
Yucky.
No, it's not. Put it in your mouth.
Try it.
I did. Put it in your mouth. It's good.
Yucky.
I'll give you $1. Put it in your mouth. You can have $2. Put it in your mouth.
Ow.
Do it.
I heard.
It's not hot. Put it in your mouth.
No.
Alright.
Try it.
Alright, here. Close your eyes.
Don't eat it.
Alright, close your eyes and open your mouth and I'll give you bubble gum. Here, give me the bubble gum, Aaron. Close your eyes, Tucker. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and look at me. Open your mouth.
Put it in your mouth, Tucker.
Eat it, baby.
Mm-mm.
Hey.